Aaron Kyle with Remax Legacy, and welcome to 5208 Warm Springs Trail in Fort Worth, Texas. This home is just over 2,100 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, an updated kitchen, and hardwood floors. But the best feature, in my opinion, about this home is the game room that is tucked away between the 2 guest rooms that is on the first floor and is flexible for either a toy room, a study, or even a media room. This home is located just across the street from parks, basketball and tennis courts, playgrounds, and biking trails. So come join me and take a tour of this immaculate home.